students, good morning. So all have started doing the activity, right? Okay, so we are done with the activity. Now today be ready with your classwork copies, right? We are going to write down the dictation words of this chapter. We have finished up with the chapter. Let's revise the chapter once again. This chapter is about Pari, who comes to her grandma's house, and here she learns to grow vegetables in our own garden. Grandma helps her in knowing how to take care of the plants, what nutritious value do the vegetables have, and what are the things that a plant also needs food, and how you can make food for the plants, right? So this was all in this chapter, and be ready with your pencil, eraser, scale, and let's do the written work of this chapter. Okay? So the first thing that you are going to do is open up a new page, and on the new page write down chapter number 4. You are going to write down chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is In-House Garden, and then in this margin over here you are going to mention the date and the class work, right? Have you all started writing? Yes, everybody? Some are not writing. That I know. You must always complete your work with your teacher. Then your work gets completed. Then you don't have to keep sitting and writing it later on. While watching the lecture itself, we can complete our work also, right? Along the margin, you are going to write down on the next line dictation words. So, dictation words. Now the first word is, now while writing dictation words, children, you commit a lot of mistake, and that mistake is very small but very big also. You all write the dictation words with a capital letter. No, all the dictation words begin with a small letter. They are not names, proper names. Only proper names are to be written with capital letter, and these words are not proper. Second mistake which you are committing is of the letter P. While writing letter P, you always write it like this. This is an capital P, and the small p is written only in the blue line. The curve this is the curve which you are making, and this curve is made only in the two blue lines. This is the small p and this is the big P. So while writing P, you are committing mistake. While writing the K here, while writing K, you are writing the K like this. This is an capital K. Remember, pay attention to the letters which I am teaching you, because these are the minor mistakes which you are committing, and the spelling becomes ulta pulta. So the small k is like this. The one which you are making is there, but small means only in the blue line. Small k means it is written only in the blue line. So this is the K which you are going to write. The next letter is C. The capital C is written from red line to blue line, and the small c is written only in the two blue lines. While writing, only focus on the blue line. Your letters must come between the blue lines only. And one more thing, all those who have not submitted their copies for correction, please submit them as soon as possible, so that I may correct your copies and come to know what mistakes you have committed, and I may communicate you the mistakes, and you can avoid committing the mistakes again and again, right? And one more mistake, every sentence starts with a capital letter. You are writing, you are starting your answers in question and answer. Suppose you are writing down the answer, no. Answer will always start with a capital letter, the. Right? If it is any other word, you are going to start it with a capital letter. It will not start with a small letter. Okay? So let's proceed. Think while writing the word. The first word is sneaking, the S. Now sneaking, is sneaking a proper noun? Is it a proper noun? Think about it. क्या स्नीकिंग एक प्रॉपर नाउन है? किसी का नाम है? प्रॉपर नाउन मतलब यूनिक नेम नहीं, स्नीकिंग मतलब झांकना. तो झांकना किसी का नाम नहीं है, इसीलिए हमारा जो एस रहेगा वो स्मॉल रहेगा. राइट? एस एन ई ए के आई एन जी, स्नीकिंग. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इट? एस एन ई ए, स्नीक. S-N-E-A, sneaking. K-I-N-G, king. See how easy the spelling is. S-N-E-A, sneaking. K-I-N-G, king. Finish. Next word. Silently. Sigh. The sound you are getting is sigh. I. S-I, sigh. L-E-N, lend. T-L-Y-E, silently. Right? Repeat after me. S-I, sigh. L-E-N, lend. T-L-Y, silently. The third word. Veranda. V-E-R, ver. A-N-N-D-A-H. Veranda. Ver. What is the sound you are getting? Ver. V-E-R, ver, and, A-N-N, D-A-H. Right? Veranda. Next. Delicious. Lajawab. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. Sound. Focus on the sound. D. D-E-D, Lee, L-I-Lee, C-I-O-U-S, delicious. Right? Now here there is no space left, so I'll continue in the side, but you will continue in your copy, one below the other. The next word is number 5, that is, yes, outskirts. O-U-T, out, S-K-I-R-T-S. Outskirts means out of the city, right? O-U-T, out, skirt, S-K-I-R-T-S, outskirts. Curiously, उत्सुकता, उत्सुकता पूर्वक. आप लोग भी अपने मम्मी पापा से पूछते हो ना, मम्मी स्कूल कब खुलेंगे, हम स्कूल कब जाएंगे, ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कब बंद होगी, हमको स्कूल जाना है, फ्रेंड्स से मिलना है. तो क्यूरियस, यू वांट टू नो विच यू डोंट नो, राइट? सो क्यूरियसली, क्यू, C-U-Q, R-I, O-U-S-L-Y, curiously. Next, chemicals. Chemicals, medicine used to protect plants. Plants, यहाँ पर इस चैप्टर में chemicals का मतलब है जो medicines हम plants को protect करने के लिए use करते हैं, right? So chemicals, C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L-S. The sound cat, C-H-E, cat. Me, M-I, me. Culls, C-A-L-S, culls. Chemicals. The next word is wandered. सोचना. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Wandered. One, W-O-N, der, D T-E-R-E-D. Wandered. Disappointedly. It's a very big spelling, ma'am. How will I learn this? No, it is very easy. Just see. Disappointedly. Now the first sound that you're getting is this. D-I-S. This. App. A-P-P. App. O-I-N-T-E-D-L-Y. Yes. Repeat after me the spelling. This. D-I-S. This. App. In computer you have learnt about apps. So that is an app. A-P-P. App. Oin. O-I-N. Oin. T-E-D. Ted. Lee. See how easy it becomes when you break the spelling and learn it. Right? So, disappointedly. Okay. Number 10. Difficulty. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T-Y. Difficulty, परेशानी. Disappointedly, नाराज हो जाना. Difficulty. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T-Y. Difficulty. Right? Okay, so you copy down. I'm waiting for you. The words which I have written on the board, repeat and write. Okay? The first word is sneaking. Next, silently. Veranda. Delicious. Outskirts. Curiously. Chemicals. Wandered. Disappointedly. Difficulty. Hope you have written down this side words. I am rubbing it out. Let's continue. Terrace. The next word is terrace. T-E-R-R-A-C-E. Terrace. Now terrace. I told you. Yes. Can anybody give me the answer? Waiting for you. Yes. Alokik, Atharva, Sharvil, Vamakshi, Karnika. Who will give me the answer? Everybody. Very good. That's right. What do we call terrace? Roof. Correct. So, T-E-R-R-A-C-E. Terrace. Isn't it easy? Yes. Next word is number 12. Beautiful. Yes. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very pretty. Right? So, B-E-A-B-U-T-full. How will you pronounce it? B-E-A-U-T-I-U-T. Full. Beautiful. Right? Next. Plucking. Plucking यानी तोड़ना. Plucking. P-L-U-C-K-I-N-G. Now see, you know the spelling of king. K-I-N-G. King. Pluck. HURRIEDLY, hurriedly, जल्दी से, HURRIEDLY, hurriedly, hurry जल्दी में, hurriedly जल्दी में, past tense. Screamed, 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 shouted. See, there are three words for shouting: scream, shouted, yelled. Okay. ये पर्यायवाची शब्द हैं, एक ही वर्ड की मीनिंग एक ही है, पर हम तीन तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, राइट? सो स्क्रीम, S, scream, CREAMED, scream, right? What do you mean by scream? Shouted. Next, exclaimed, 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 exclaimed. Chewing, Shabana, CHEWING, chew, CHEW, chew. You have to chew your food. Yes, you have to eat slowly. Chew your food properly. Chew, chewing. Yes. So the words now which I have written is terrace, beautiful, plucking, hurriedly, scream, exclaimed, chewing, okay, I am waiting for you to copy down all the words. Write blue line to blue line. All the letters in the starting will be small, no capital letter, because these are not proper nouns. These are simple noun. Some may be noun, some may be adjective, some may be verb. It is not necessary. Okay? Right, children, I am waiting for you. I have not gone. I am here only observing you, how you all are writing. Yes? Shall I raise this part? Okay. The next word is, this chapter also has a lot of new words which may be difficult for you to learn, read. Okay? So when you learn the spellings, it will become very easy for you. Yes, traditional. TRADITIONAL, traditional. Now see, tra, 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 DITIONAL, traditional. Next word, immunity. IMMUNITY. Unity. Immunity. Nutritious. 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 New and U T-I-O-U-S. Nutritious. Explain. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D. Explain. See, I am explaining you the chapter. I am explaining you the word meaning. So that means explain. Okay. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D. 22. Intently. कुछ जानने के लिए ध्यान से देखना. Intently. I-N-N-T-E-N-T-L-Y. Intently. कंफ्यूज. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये भी बोल रहे, ये भी बोल रहे, ये भी बोल रहे, मैं तो कंफ्यूज हो गया. राइट बोलते हो ना आप लोग कंफ्यूज. कंफ्यूज्ड. कन C-O-N कन F-U-S-E-D. कंफ्यूज्ड. Regularly. R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. Yes, let's read the words which I have written on the board. Okay, from number 11. Terrace, repeat after me. Terrace, beautiful, plucking, hurriedly, scream, exclaim, आश्चर्य में चिल्लाते हो, wow, ew, chewing, traditional, immunity, nutritious, explained, intently, confused, regularly. Yes children, I am waiting for you to complete your work. Keep writing blue line to blue line without committing mistakes. See, I have written it very clearly for you. And I expect you to also write down very clearly for me to check and for you to understand it very well. I have broken down the spelling for you to learn and you have to write down both the spellings. Okay? Yes children, have you completed? We have still more dictation words to complete because the chapter is full of new words. and unless and until you are not able to pronounce these words, understand the meaning of these words, it will be difficult for you to understand this chapter, read this chapter. So, learn the dictation words, learn how to pronounce it every day, and try to read the chapter also, because the more you read the chapter, the better you will improve your reading skills also, right? Yes, now I hope I can erase this part of the board. You can continue writing if you have not written down on that side. Next word is 25th word, and this is digestion. You have come across this word in science also, but the spelling you have to learn over here, right? D-I-G-E-S-P-I-O-N, digestion. D-I-G-E-S-P-I-O-N, digestion. Next, improve. Improve. I-M-P-R-O-V-E. See, when you will learn all the spellings, you will improve your vocabulary, right? Improve करना यानी अपने आप को अच्छा बनाना. Okay. Improve. I-M-Improve. P-R-O-V-E. Improve. 27. Recycled. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E-D. Recycled. So R-E-C-Y-C-L-E-D. Recycled. Composted. C-O-M. See, again the C over here is small. Just because this is a plain board, you cannot recognize whether it is a small letter or a capital letter. The C over here is small. While writing, only remember the point that is it a proper noun? Is it a unique name? No, if it is not a unique name, it is a small c. Okay? Composted. Yes, come, C-O-M, come, P-O-S-T-E-D, composted. Successfully. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L-L-Y, successfully. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L-L-Y, successfully. Managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D, managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D, managed. Promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D, promised. The last word. Yes. Apartment. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. A-P-A-R-T. Part. M-E-N-T. Man. And here we come to an end of our dictation words. Right? The homework for you is to learn dictation words and write down in your homework copy each word 2 times. Do it in 2 days. We have a lot of time. No problem. Do the first 15 words today. Do the next 15 words tomorrow. Okay? So, we wind up our session of dictation words today here. Okay? Bye. Meet you tomorrow soon.